Welcome to this tutorial where we'll demonstrate how to efficiently build a phone stand charger holder utilizing existing models. We've already activated the wall charging component for this setup. Begin by sketching directly on the wall socket. Use the project tool to integrate the geometry of the wall socket into your design. The blue line you see represents the intersection point, while the red line indicates that the geometry you've selected will align with the wall socket on the same plane. Keep the projection link enabled so that any modifications to the original wall socket will automatically reflect in your wall charger design. This dynamic link is highlighted by the purple color, showing that the line is both projected and linked. Let's offset the line we projected from the wall socket slightly. The precise distance varies with production tolerances, but for this tutorial we'll use 0.5 millimeters. If you're uncertain about whether to apply a positive or negative value, you can manually drag the arrow. I'll right-click to access the menu again, re-enter the offset command, and create another offset from our projected line. Remember, there's no strict right or wrong in sizing. To gauge what might be popular, check out similar products on platforms like Etsy and observe consumer preferences. To streamline the process, let's move directly from sketching to the extrude command using the keyboard shortcut E. Then use existing geometry as a reference for the extrusion distance. Since the other settings are satisfactory, I'll complete this new body operation within the wall charging holder component. Everything looks good, and we're now prepared to move on to designing the part that will encase the smartphone. I'll extrude the full width, but there's potential for significant material optimization. We don't need to worry about precise smartphone placement as adjustments can be made. The goal is to allow easy phone insertion while ensuring it doesn't sit too close to the floor or the baseboard molding. Place your next sketch on the wall charging holder component. Use Project Sketch to capture the bottom line of your Fusion model. Offset this line by 3 mm, then close your sketch with the line tool. Using a mouse with the scroll wheel really helps for zooming in and out smoothly. Once your sketch is closed, indicated by the blue infill, extrude the profile. I'll make this area slightly larger than the phone to accommodate various models and ease of insertion. Practice the sketch project workflow again to perfect your design, focusing on a small shelf edge. Use the top view for easy navigation, linking your projection, and offset it by 3 mm for consistency. Close the sketch with a line on each short side. Adjust the extrude height, larger for safety, smaller for better screen visibility. For my project, I'll choose a middle ground. I chose red for this project because I have lots of red 3D printing filament, but other colors might look better in different rooms. You can change the color by right-clicking on the appearance. I made this tutorial with you in mind, keeping it accurate and concise because I value your time. If you learned something, please comment, like, or subscribe. Also, take a look at my Screwdriver Fusion tutorial for students to learn how to make cool curved patterns.